Hello, Facebook Live. Marcus here.
Hey.
Sorry, and Jamie. Jamie's here too.
Hi, everybody.
Right there she is. All right. So we've been busy all day today. We're not. Yeah. We just sent an email out for today's $9.99 deal, which is mussels, curry, shrimp, organic brown rice, broccoli. It is really, really good, and we sold a ton of those last week. So we're keeping to that for Sundays. Let's see. Ribeye steak sale is coming. Starts tomorrow. $2 off a pound. Starts tomorrow until we're sold out. Until supplies last. I got like 4 cases of ribeyes. I don't know how many steaks that is. It's several hundred steaks. That should probably. I imagine with Thanksgiving coming up, people might want to. When they have family coming up, you might want to have some ribeye steaks in the refrigerator to avoid turkey on Friday and Saturday. So I'm assuming that these steaks are going to go pretty quickly. $2 off a pound. That sale starts tomorrow. 647-3000 or info@aromatimebistro.com if you want to get on the strip steak sale. Now, something Jamie and I have been working on. Something that's really super important we've been working on. So this year for us, we're not able to do holiday parties here, right? There are no holiday parties happening, or at least company get-togethers and things like that. Yeah, you could come here with 6 people, 4 people, things like that. If you wanted to place on a Wednesday night, the whole place could be yours on a Wednesday night. If you have 20 people coming in, everybody's spaced out. So, but we really don't have, because of COVID restrictions, we don't have an adequate space to really properly do holiday parties until now. Jamie and I have secured an off-premise location that is beautiful, magnificent, gorgeous. More announcements of that will be coming soon. It has an amazing kitchen there. We can go cook at this property. It is a sort of like a mini mansion, and it's secluded. It's a couple minutes from here, and we have that operation for catering. So if anybody needs a company party, smaller party, we can handle. I'm not sure. We have to really scope it out more. We've been doing a lot of work there the last week and a half, a ton of work the last week and a half, getting it ready for events like this. And the ultimate goal in this property is to do weddings up to 200 people once COVID passes and everything. We'll be able to do weddings at a really nice size. Everything's set up there, commercial kitchen, a bunch of different commercial kitchen. We'll have a cocktail hour space inside. We can even put a big tent. It's a beautiful yard. It's really an amazing property. The family and stuff can stay at this guest house. There's 2 guest houses on this property that you can stay for the whole weekend and stuff like that. So that's the story with that. I will say more. That's going to approach you in the next few days. We'll be able to say more of those announcements. But yeah, we do have this beautiful, beautiful space for catering and overnight accommodations. I think between all the guest houses on property, we can probably sleep like 22 people eventually. So that's down the road though, but let's just start one step at a time here and one thing at a time. So that's the story with that. So if anybody needs a space next year for a wedding or a big party, definitely come see us. We can show you around the grounds of this property, and it's yours for the whole weekend basically, and that's the route you go. So guess who just showed up from college? Justin's back. Justin's back from Canisius. He literally just pulled in. He just drove in. So Jamie and I are happy to have him back. So I'm going to cut this Facebook Live short. We're having a great family dinner with everybody tonight. And that's it, folks. Stay safe. Spray your mask down constantly with hydrogen peroxide, all those kinds of things. Wash your hands. Take vitamins. You know the deal. Eat healthy. Drink good wine, of course. We are sold out for Thanksgiving. I meant to mention, we just had another phone call for Thanksgiving. We are sold out. We put our quota out there. I bought enough turkeys for our quota. We made the cutoff this last Thursday. We had about 12 left going into Friday and easily sold out, done. Jamie and I are packing it in at 2 o'clock on Thanksgiving Day and enjoying dinner with our family for probably the first time in many years where we can actually sit down for the whole meal as opposed to making it just for dessert. So Jamie and I are very excited about that. So thank you everybody for your support on Thanksgiving Day. It was $27. We did have a lot. We are sold out. Really, really cool, though. That is awesome that we did that, and thank you for your help on that. And we'll see you soon and gotta get going. All right, folks, have an amazing day, and stay tuned for more big announcements with our catering space coming up.